I'm here for an exchange program with my colleagues from Germany, UK. We are here with the UNISWA students, social work students, to work in collaboration in relation to the Sustainable Development Goal 11, that is bridging inequality gap among countries. So as youth, what we can also help to bring out and support develop Africa to bridge the gap between the developed countries and then the lower African countries. So we've been here for almost 2 weeks. We've been to the cultural village. We are learning a lot from Swaziland. Your culture is so rich and so preserved, unlike other African countries who have lost their traditions and culture. We even went on hiking to the Sibebe mountain, and it's been very fun. We are learning a lot from Swaziland culture, and today we were here to witness the reed dance because we've heard a lot about it, and we also want to learn something from our other African countries. So I think that is why we are here.
Okay. Now